All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview. This is for March 27th, 2023 to March 31st, 2023. So important announcements. Monday, my office hours are 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then my office hours again are Friday, 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. It is the end of quarter three on Sunday, April 2nd. So all work must be submitted by 11:59 p.m. to be graded and counted. It's quarter three, week 10. So Monday, we'll talk about the Cold War, understand the origins of the Cold War, your key terms, satellite nations, containment, Truman Doctrine, Marshall Plan, and Berlin Airlift with the homework lesson Origins of the Cold War. Tuesday, we'll explain the early tension between the US and the Soviet Union with the CYU Origins of the Cold War. Wednesday, recognize how the Cold War spread to other places in Asia with your key terms nationalist and 54th parallel. With the homework lesson, the Cold War heats up. Thursday, we'll identify important elements of the Korean War with the CYU, the Cold War heats up. And then Friday, we will discuss the Korean War Memorial and its impact still today. With the homework there, the project, the quarter three survey. So have a great week. Hope to talk to you soon. Let me know of any questions or concerns.